Hello everyone! Your favorite gardening guru is back with another video. And today, we're talking about one of my absolute favorite topics, vegetables that practically grow themselves. If you've ever dreamed of harvesting your own fresh veggies but thought, I don't have a green thumb, I've got great news for you. You don't need one. You just need a little guidance, a patch of soil, and the right plants to start with. So grab your gardening gloves, maybe a cold drink, and let's stroll through the garden together as we explore the 10 easiest vegetables to grow for beginners. 1. Lettuce, the overachiever of the garden. Let's kick things off with lettuce, the classic can't mess this up plant. Seriously, lettuce grows faster than weeds if you give it half a chance. It loves cooler weather, so it's perfect for spring or fall. You can plant it directly in the ground or in a pot, and within a few weeks, boom, you're harvesting fresh, crisp leaves for your salads. Here's a tip from your guru. Don't harvest the whole head at once. Just snip off the outer leaves and let the center keep growing. It's like a renewable salad source, one of nature's best subscriptions. If you want variety, try romaine for crunch, butterhead for softness, or even some colorful leaf mixes to make your salads look fancy. 2. Radishes, fast, fun, and foolproof. If patience isn't your strong suit, radishes are your veggie. They're the sprinters of the garden world. You can go from seed to harvest in about 3 weeks, just long enough to brag about it before your friends even finish setting up their tomato cages. They love full sun and loose soil, and honestly, they don't ask for much. Water them, wait a few weeks, and you'll have crisp, peppery radishes to toss in salads or roast for a milder flavor. And if you've got kids, radishes are perfect for teaching them about gardening, because they can actually see the results before they lose interest. 3. Green beans, the gift that keeps on giving. Green beans are another great starter crop. Once they start producing, they don't stop. It's like nature's version of an all-you-can-eat buffet. You can grow bush beans if you want something compact, or pole beans if you've got a trellis or fence to climb. Just give them plenty of sun and water, and they'll reward you with buckets of beans all season long. Guru tip: pick them early and often. The more you harvest, the more the plant produces. It's like encouraging a friend who loves praise. The beans just keep giving. 4. Zucchini, the overachiever's cousin. Now, let's talk about zucchini. If you plant zucchini, you'll be giving it away to neighbors by midsummer. It's the plant that just doesn't know when to stop. Zucchini loves warm weather, full sun, and plenty of space. It can sprawl a bit, so make sure it's got room to stretch its legs. Water consistently, and you'll be amazed how quickly those green torpedoes appear overnight. Fun fact: gardeners joke that the only time people lock their cars in summer is to avoid finding bags of zucchini on the seat. It's that prolific. 5. Cherry tomatoes, the sweet snackers. Tomatoes can be tricky, unless you start with cherry tomatoes. These little guys are far more forgiving and produce like crazy. Plant them in a sunny spot, water them deeply a few times a week, and you'll have handfuls of juicy red, or yellow, or orange tomatoes that taste better than anything from the store. They're great for container gardens too. Just give them a sturdy cage for support. And if you snack on them straight off the vine, well, that's the best part of gardening, isn't it? 6. Carrots, the underground heroes. Carrots are fun because they're a little bit of a mystery. You can't see what's going on underground, so pulling them up feels like unwrapping a surprise gift. They prefer loose, sandy soil, so their roots can grow straight and long. Keep the soil moist, be patient, and after about 2 months, you'll have crunchy, sweet carrots ready to eat. Guru tip: try rainbow carrots. They come in shades of purple, yellow, and white, and kids absolutely love them. 7. Cucumbers, the cool climbers. Cucumbers are like the overachieving athletes of the vegetable world. They grow fast, climb high, and produce tons of fruit. They love sun, warmth, and steady watering. You can grow them along a fence or trellis to save space. Plus, it keeps the fruit cleaner and easier to harvest. There are 2 main types: slicing cucumbers for salads, and pickling cucumbers for, well, pickles. Either way, you'll end up with crisp, refreshing rewards for your efforts. 8. Spinach, the cool season champion. Spinach is another leafy green that's hard to mess up. It grows fast, thrives in cooler weather, and doesn't need much fussing. You can plant it early in spring, or again in the fall, and you'll have tender, nutritious greens in just a few weeks. Harvest the outer leaves like lettuce, and it'll keep producing for weeks. Bonus, spinach is a great companion plant. It plays nice with carrots, radishes, and strawberries. Talk about a friendly neighbor. 9. Peas, the sweet climbers. Peas are one of those crops that make you feel like a real gardener. You can eat them straight off the vine, and they taste incredible. They like cool weather, so plant them early in spring. Give them something to climb, like a simple net or trellis, and keep them well watered. Snap peas and snow peas are especially beginner friendly, and they'll keep producing if you harvest regularly. Just watch out. Once you taste fresh peas, it's hard to go back to the store-bought stuff. 10. Kale, the leafy legend. And finally, we've got kale, the plant that just won't quit. It's tough, cold hardy, and keeps producing even when the weather cools down. You can harvest young, tender leaves for salads, or let them grow bigger for cooking. Kale also looks beautiful in the garden. It's like ornamental and edible in one. Here's a fun fact. Kale actually gets sweeter after a light frost. So if you've ever wanted to taste winter candy, try picking kale after a chilly morning. Okay, I can't end this video without mentioning herbs. Basil, parsley, and chives are some of the easiest plants to grow, and they'll make every meal taste better. Start with 1 pot of herbs on your porch or windowsill. It's like having your own mini chef's garden at home. So there you have it, 10 plus a few bonus vegetables that are perfect for beginners. You don't need a giant yard or fancy tools, just a bit of sunshine, some patience, and a love for watching things grow. Remember, gardening isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every season teaches you something new, and even the best gardeners started by just planting a seed and seeing what happens. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to start their gardening journey. Until next time, this is your gardening guru, reminding you that the best time to expand your gardening knowledge is always today. Happy gardening!